can terminate or execute software using C++ program. Okay, start terminate programs using C++. Okay, let it save the main file. Yes, the fundamental, first of all, we will go through the, we will have to write using namespace std. First of all, as usual, we will try to understand the logic of our program. We can initiate command prompt, and we can also justify that the command prompt can be used to initiate or run or terminate or perform any kind of operations in the Windows. To initiate command prompt, C++ provides a library that is called standard library stdlib.h, whose function is system. By using this is standard function. With the help of this function, we can initiate or terminate any process running in the Windows. So let me add this preprocessor directive include stdlib.h. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we can initiate a process or software using the system method or function call. We will write system so method name and provide a full path in the form of format string. Okay, we will have to provide the full path, such as we are going to start C double backslash Windows double backslash system 32, and we can say here notepad or simple. This is the simplest application that we can initiate. This line will initiate notepad from the system directory of the Windows. Okay, let it try to compile and build. The program is compiled successfully, and we can see that notepad editor is opened automatically. We can say it automatically, but it goes with the help of this application program that we have write down in C++. What we will have write down here, we write down the application software name, its full path, its command to start, and its method that is the part of standard library.h. Okay, now we can also terminate the same process, the same application software with the help of C++. We are, first of all, we are trying to execute. This is executed successfully. This notepad is executed successfully. We are minimizing it. Now we will try to terminate this running software or application with the help of system method provided by the standard library. We will write here the task kill command, that is the cmd command prompt command to kill any process. Here we will provide a flag forcefully and image name will be the notepad.exe. Notepad.exe. Okay, let it to be tried. Compile it again. This is compiled successfully, and it is going to terminate the notepad. Okay, task kill is not command recognized internal command. Okay. We will write here task kill. Double K will be involved. What it will say? It will say there is no process running at that time. Okay, notepad.exe is has been terminated. We will try it again. We will try it with another application software, that is Firefox. We can also terminate Firefox. The title of the window can also be provided. The title of the window is Firefox. So this Firefox is open. We'll compile and run this program. We can clearly see here, we have to focus here, either it will be closed or not. Oh, it is closed successfully. It has a list specified here that this application software whose running process IDs are as is terminated. All process IDs contain the string Firefox. That is why this is terminated successfully. So let me told that these two system methods are used for the start or kill the application software running on the computer system. Okay.